Hi guys, we have a very good news for you all as one of the leading accredited study centers in Sri Lanka for CIM UK qualification. So KDC Academy of Management has organized you all a fast track program depending on your level. So if you're right after O level, now you can get your postgraduate qualification, the UK, CIM UK postgraduate qualification within a period of 1 year with the fast track program of KDC Academy of Management Sri Lanka. And also if you're after A level, you can complete the postgraduate qualification in a shorter period of 9 months with KDC Academy. If you're a degree holder, if you're having a university degree, we are offering the exemption pathway to complete the postgraduate qualification in CIM UK in 6 months. And also, if you are having a master's qualification, either MBA or MSc or higher qualification, you can complete your postgraduate diploma in professional marketing CIM UK, Chartered Institute of Marketing, with the KDC Academy of Management Sri Lanka in a period of 3 months. This is a uniquely designed fast-track program for Sri Lankan students, only with the KDC Academy of Management in lining with the UK examination schedule, so that you can complete your qualification in a shorter period and you can save your time and money both. So take the maximum out of this opportunity and make sure that you're completing your postgraduate qualification along with the other qualifications you all do. You may be a marketer or you may be a non-marketer. We have a specialized pathway for non-marketers as well. We are having a special education stream for you all to complete your CIM depending on your existing qualifications. Get connected with the Sri Lanka Accredited Study Centre for CIM UK qualification, KDC Academy of Management, so you can get more information and complete your qualification in a shorter period. Good luck.